How to create and use your own custom-made function. First, open up Visual Studio's code. Then, create a new Python file. Now it's time for the coding. Create a def statement, create your function. For this example, we're going to be calling the function pizza place, and the part will be called pizza reviews. Then, declare an if statement that checks to see if the pizza reviews were above or the same as 4 stars. If it is, the review will equal high. Now, declare an else statement to see if the reviews are 3 stars or lower. If it is, the reviews will equal low.
Now declare an else statement.
If the number is not in between 1 and 10, then the review will equal none. Now return the reviews. Now use the functions you created to print out the reviews. The example reviews are going to be 5, 2, 3, 4. That is exactly what should print onto the terminal.